See, the public notice says what? Water side untapped for drinking only. Please, people, follow simple instructions. Okay, so I think the owners of this place, they want to tell the public that the top of the creek is only for drinking, but not swimming or washing or doing other things. So if people want to swim or wash or enjoy themselves, they should use this bottom end of the river here. So I think it makes sense, so that the river is always maintained as clean and as healthy as much as possible for people to use, enjoy, so everyone is happy. So I'm walking into the jungle here, and this is the spot where the owners of this place, they are reserving it just only for people to come and drink, and nothing else. So the place is, the river itself is clean, and it's healthy, and everyone can enjoy this. It looks really nice, so beautiful. It's so awesome. How wonderful is this place? Only in East Nakanai where you can find such beautiful rivers and creeks like this. Cheers, see you in the next video. Okay, you dive. Dive and then you'll get your video.
3, 2, 1, and go. I will swim backwards. So you must
Swim this way. You gotta swim this way, or you swim that way.
swim that way.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, and go.
Hmm? It's cold.
Yeah.
Okay.